नेसाय सापडिल्ल्या उत्तर रजा हाच्या खून प्रकरणात मायणा कुडतरीचो पुलिसांनी संदीप गुप्ता हाका अटक केल्या। घडणुकेच्या सुवातेचेर खोलायेन तपास केले उपरांत दुबाविता आड गुन्यांव नोंद केलो। दुबावीत फाटली 16 वर्सां गोंयांत भुसारी दुकान चलयतालो। रजाकडेन आशिल्ले पयशे लुटपा खातीर दुबावितान ताचो खून केलो आनी ताची वळख पडची न्हय हे खातीर तकली फातर घालून चेचली। दुबावितान सांगिल्ले प्रमाण खुना खातीर वापरिल्ली हत्यारी आनी हेर साहित्य जप्त केले अशी माहिती मडगांव पुलिसांनी दिल्या।
Yesterday, information was received at Maina Kuttarim police station at around 1 p.m. that an unidentified dead body in a partially decomposed state is lying in Nesai. So, on conducting inquiry and an examination of the scene of crime, the deceased was identified to be one Akhtar Raza Kusanur, age 22 years, resident of Dikarpali. And this Akhtar Raza deceased, he was reported as missing on 14th of November by his uncle. Since then efforts were being made to trace him, and then based on his appearance and through the assistance of family members, he was finally identified. Now it appeared as a case of homicide because of how the scene of crime was, and so accordingly we went ahead and registered an case of murder under section 302 IPC. Find the same, we identified one Sandeep Gupta, who is originally a resident of Bihar but has been staying in Goa for past 16 years, and he runs a general store. So we identified him based on inputs from technical intelligence and through ground intelligence, as well as through combing of the CCTV cameras in the area. So as far as motive goes, this deceased was in possession of cash at that point of time, and this accused, who owed money to certain people, and driven by his greed, he assaulted the deceased, and which led to his death.